When you search for mascara wands, everything looks pretty similar. Same claims, same styles, but to truly find the best for your lashes, you need to look a little deeper.
Product number 1, T Best Max Disposable Wands. Let's kick things off with the T Best Max 100-piece disposable mascara wands. Priced at just $4.99, these caught my attention because of their practical packaging and the sheer number you get. If you want an affordable option to keep your mascara application hygienic, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These disposable wands come in a convenient, reusable container, perfect for storing and taking on the go. Each wand is about 3.9 inches long and features soft bristles that can be adjusted slightly for precision application. With over 8,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many people trust this product to keep their lashes clump-free and well separated. Plus, they're not just for mascara, they work wonders for eyebrows as well. Now, some people complained about the softness of the bristles, saying they wish they were stiffer. Here's the thing though, while a firmer bristle might be better for some, the softness actually helps in gently separating lashes without causing damage. So if you're looking for something gentle and effective, this might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're trying to keep your mascara application clean and professional. Skip this one if you prefer something more substantial and firm for your lashes. Honestly, for the price and quality, it's a solid buy. Now, if the softness of the T Best wands bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Gumake Eyelash Brushes. The Gumake 100-piece disposable eyelash mascara brushes, priced at only $3.99. These caught my eye for their sleek black design and versatility. If you're looking for a reliable and multi-purpose tool for your beauty routine, this is worth a serious look. These brushes feature soft fiber bristles that are designed to perfectly shape and coat your lashes. The nylon brush head can be adjusted to suit your needs, allowing you to focus on your eye color with precision. With thousands sold in the last month, it's a favorite among beauty enthusiasts. The lightweight design means they're easy to carry around for travel or just everyday use. Plus, they're not just for mascara. They work equally well on eyebrows and even hair roots. Now, I'll be real with you. Some users mentioned that the brush heads can feel a little flimsy, but here's the thing. That flexibility can actually help you get into those tricky spots around the eyes without scratching your skin. So while it might not be for everyone, I think it serves its purpose well. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile tool for both lashes and brows. Skip this one if you need something sturdier for heavy-duty applications. For the price, you can't really complain about the value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger projects.
Product number 3, BTYMS Disposable Wands. We have the BTYMS 500 pieces disposable mascara wands, priced at $9.99. These are a great option if you're looking to stock up. If you want a bulk buy for your beauty salon or personal use, this is worth a serious look. The pack comes with 500 wands, which is a fantastic deal for anyone who regularly applies makeup. Each wand is designed with a soft bristle tip that bends slightly to help with precision application. They're perfect for separating lashes and ensuring no clumping occurs, which is something you definitely want for a flawless look. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, there's clearly a demand for these. However, some users did mention that the bristles might not hold up as well after multiple uses. But here's the thing, these are designed for disposable use, which means you can just toss them when you're done. For someone who values hygiene, that's a huge plus. This is perfect for you if you often work with clients or enjoy trying out different makeup looks. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can last longer through multiple uses. At this price point, it's a fantastic value for your money. Now, if you're concerned about disposability, this next option offers a more eco-friendly approach.
Product number 4, Chef B Eyelash Brushes. Up at the list are the Chef B 100-piece disposable eyelash brushes, priced at $4.98. I was drawn to their sleek design and the included reusable container. If you want a stylish yet effective solution for your makeup needs, this is worth a serious look. These brushes are made with soft fiber hair, giving you that gentle touch for your lashes and brows. The flexible head allows you to adjust the angle easily, making it simple to separate lashes before and after mascara application. Plus, they come with a handy container to keep everything organized, which is perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. The convenience factor is huge here, especially for busy mornings. That said, some users found the brushes a bit too soft for their liking. But honestly, if you're someone who values precision and gentleness, this might actually work in your favor. Soft bristles can prevent tugging and pulling on delicate lashes. This is perfect for you if you want something easy to use and travel-friendly. Skip this one if you require a firmer brush for heavy-duty mascara application. For the price, it's an excellent choice for a compact kit. Alright, that was a really handy option, but if you're looking for something with a bit more flair, the last product might catch your eye.
Product number 5, T-Best Max Colorful Wands. We have the T-Best Max 300 disposable mascara wands, which are priced at $7.99. These are eye-catching with their vibrant colors, and I was intrigued by their unique design. If you want to add a bit of fun to your beauty routine while still being practical, this is worth a serious look. This pack includes 300 wands in 6 fun colors, making them great for sharing with friends or just brightening up your makeup kit. This soft yet firm brush head is excellent for cleaning every little lash without leaving clumps behind. You can even bend the heads to get the perfect angle for your application. With a good number of sales, they've made quite an impression on users looking for both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Now, some reviewers have mentioned that the colorful design might feel a bit gimmicky, but here's the thing. If you're someone who loves a pop of color in your routine, it can really lift your mood while you get ready. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a fun and vibrant approach to your beauty tools. Skip this one if you prefer a more classic look in your makeup kit. For what you get, it's a great mix of fun and utility.
So, we've covered 5 great mascara wand options. From the affordable T-Best Max wands to the colorful T-Best Max options, there's something for everyone here. Whether you prioritize hygiene, precision, or aesthetics, you can find a wand that fits your needs perfectly.